Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to reply to an email in Gmail quickly, easily, and confidently. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to respond to any message without second guessing yourself. First, open Gmail on your computer or mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in your inbox, locate the email you want to reply to. It could be from a friend, a colleague, or anyone else. Click on it to open and read the full message carefully. Understanding what the sender wants is the key to a clear reply. Next, look for the small reply icon, usually a backward arrow, at the top right of the email. Click it, and a message box will appear right below the original email. This is where you'll craft your response. Type your message thoughtfully. Answer questions, address comments, and be clear and concise. If needed, use formatting tools like bold, italics, or bullet points to highlight important details. Before hitting send, take a quick moment to reread your message. This helps catch typos or any unclear wording. When you're happy with it, click the send button at the bottom of the box, and your reply is delivered instantly. And that's it. You've successfully replied to an email in Gmail. With a little practice, this will become second nature, making your communication smooth and professional every time. Thanks for watching. I hope this quick tutorial makes replying to emails easier than ever. Keep practicing and happy emailing.